Has this ever happened? Beautiful weather is finally here. It is springtime. I went to go fire up my Pan America 1250, hit the road, get some good riding in. But of course, the battery's dead. It's been sitting all winter, haven't ridden it. Classic, right? So today I'm walking you through how to replace the battery on your Pan America 1250. I decided to upgrade my battery to a lithium battery, and while I was at it, I also added a NOCO jump starter cable so I can quickly jump the bike in the future if the battery ever dies on me again. Alright, first things first, the battery is tucked away under the skid plate, so you'll need to remove that first. It's just a few bolts, easy enough. 6 in total, 4 on the bottom, 2 on the sides. And of course, it always goes like this. The last screw was stripped, so that one took me a little bit longer to get off, but eventually got it off and the skid plate came right off. Once you have the skid plate off, you should be able to see the battery a little bit more clearly. There are 2 more screws you'll need to take off so that you can open up the voltage regulator bracket. That's just one on the left and one just above the battery, and it should swing over like a little arm. On the front of the voltage regulator bracket, you're going to have little battery connectors. Always disconnect the black, the negative first, and then the positive. That's safer. And then you should have full access to your battery. Once you unscrew those last little cables on the battery, it should fall right out. Now it's time to put the new lithium battery in. The lithium battery is a lot lighter than the stock battery. It has a longer life and it's supposed to hold a better charge. So definitely recommend this lithium battery. Have it to where the negative side of the battery is on the left and the positive is on the right, because that's how it was whenever the original battery was in there. Now, before reconnecting everything, I added this NOCO jump starter cable. It attaches directly to the battery terminals and tucks away neatly. Super handy if I ever need a boost on the road. So just saving my butt later down the line. When reconnecting the battery, connect the positive first, then the negative, then connect the NOCO leads and snug it all up. And then the skid plate goes back on, and that should be it. Well, not quite, because the bike still wouldn't start. Turns out it wasn't the battery at all. It was my key fob. The battery in that little thing was completely dead. Silly mistake, but hey, it was a lesson learned. Always check the fob first before replacing your whole battery.